All networked-enabled DCI amplifiers allow for users to save and load settings in 3 different ways: device files, presets, and speaker tunings. This video will cover saving and loading amplifier device files. A device file is a single file that includes all 20 presets that can be saved within an amplifier. All 20 presets or snapshots of the amplifier's settings are stored within this device file. When a device file from one amp is saved and loaded onto a second amp, the second amp is identical to the first amp in every way besides network configuration. This differs from a preset, which is a single snapshot of the current settings, and a speaker tuning, which only includes the output processing of an individual amp channel. Once all the desired presets are stored onto the amplifier, click on File, Save, Device File to open the Save Device File dialog box. Then, select the Save to destination and press the Save button. The device file has now been saved to the destination selected. To open a device file onto another amplifier, open that amplifier's default control panel, click on File, Open, Device File. In the window that appears, locate the saved device file, then press the Open button. A new window will appear asking to keep or replace the current amplifier's device name. Selecting Replace will change that amplifier's name so that it matches that of the original amplifier with which the device file was saved from. Device files can be loaded onto multiple amps at the same time by selecting multiple amplifiers, pressing right-click, then Open Device File. This is very useful if there are a large number of amplifiers that need to have identical presets on them. If these actions were not performed while online with the amplifier, press the Go Online button at the top of Audio Architect, and be sure to send settings by clicking the S arrow. Thank you for watching this video. For questions, comments, or suggestions regarding this or any other video, please send them to the email address shown below. For technical assistance, please call the technical support department or email them at the options shown below.